Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add or remove My Home shortcut in the control center on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. So first let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then we're going to tap on settings. In settings, go down and tap on control center. Then go down to more controls and tap on the home button. So tap on the green plus button and this will get added to the included control section. In here, if you swipe down the control center, you can see home has been added in the control center, and if you tap on that, it will open up My Home. And in My Home, you can open up the connected accessories. Now if we go back into the control center setting page, you can also remove the home shortcut by tapping on the remove button on the left hand side, and it will swipe over with a remove button. Now we can tap on the remove button to remove it from the control center. Now if you swipe down the control center again, you can see now home shortcut has been removed from the control center, and that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.